Hello, everyone, and welcome to my Type 2 Diabetes Crash Course. This is the introduction video of who I am, what I'm planning to do with this channel, and so on. So, let's get started. So, a little introduction before we jump in. I'd like to explain to you who I am, what my mission is. So, my name is Marie, and I have an insulin production disorder which causes severe hypoglycemia. I work full-time with an amazing endocrinologist who primarily sees diabetic patients. And in my free time, I research and I volunteer with a local endocrinology group to assist with diabetic education. This knowledge has allowed me to help my father reverse completely, for now, his type 2 diabetes diagnosis, along with spreading awareness and education to help other diabetics. As you know, when you see the doctor, he doesn't have or she doesn't have 2-3 hours to explain to you what is this new diagnosis, what do you do in your free time, blah, 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 and how to manage it. And that's why I'm here. While I don't have diabetes and I can't fully relate to you, I do greatly sympathize. The only thing I can relate to is hypoglycemia, and it does suck, and I do understand that. Diabetes is extremely hard, but you can conquer it if loaded with the best tools in your tool belt. I've seen the good, the ugly, and the in-between with lifelong diabetics and newly diagnosed. I've seen people improve their A1C by 8%, 8 points, along with people being hospitalized for DKA or diabetic ketoacidosis. My physician and I have observed over the years that the common link of our patients that do substantially better and have a greater quality of life is how well they are educated on this subject. The more you understand your diabetes and what is going on inside your body, the less stressful it will be to properly manage. At first, it seems like an extremely daunting life sentence that constrains your life. And there's people that have been diagnosed for 30 years that still don't know how to manage it. But then there's another diagnosee that literally is only 2 years into diabetes, and he is as cool as a cucumber, knows how to manage his life, does not feel burdened by it at all. And I truly think, and my physician thinks as well, it is how properly you are educated on the subject. So you are doing the amazing first part here, which is educating yourself by clicking on this course. So good for you. Little high five there. Additionally, with this course, you will understand why certain changes are happening inside your body and what causes them in the first place, along understanding why it is important for your body to maintain a proper glucose range will encourage you to take better control of your diabetes. Education gives you fuel and motivation for the but why statements. So I firmly believe if you understand the effects of your daily activities on your body and your behaviors, they will change. If someone told me to stop eating a cookie without any rhyme or reason, why? But why? Well, why would I do it? But if that same person who asked me to stop eating a cookie broke down the internal consequences of eating the cookie on my mind, my skin, my weight, my organs, and my longevity, I might give that cookie a second choice. I like to think of it as short-term pleasure over long-term success. Am I doing these things short-term for short-term satisfaction? Oh, that cookie tasted so good. Or am I going to choose a long, healthy life? We are told to exercise, watch our diet, and avoid carbs, but why? All of these things have a but why ending. And again, with this course, with you understanding the but why, I'm doing it because I don't want to have all these complications in the future. I'm eating this healthily because this is going to help my body, help my pancreas, help my diabetic status. Do you get what I'm saying here? That's the purpose of this course. This does not go without any lack of proof. I've been there, done that. I've been addicted to Chick-fil-A and cookies and sweets, and not gonna lie, I still am, but now I live a much more balanced life. I lost over 50 pounds. I competed in a bodybuilding competition along with understanding hypoglycemia and working with diabetic patients. So I'm not just spitting all this knowledge that I do not have. I am well educated. I understand the struggles. Do you think I wanted to work out? No. Do you think I wanted to put down the cookies? No. But when I really took time to invest in my education and understand the consequences on my body, I really started to change for the better. So this is the last part to wrap up this introduction video of what this course is really going to entail. I published a Reddit thread where type 2 diabetics commented certain questions that they wanted answers, things that they wanted to learn about in the future. So I'm going to answer those. Here's another couple of video explanations. What is hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia? What are these complications? How does it happen? How can I prevent this? What can I do to reduce my diabetic status? What diet is best? Preventing fear and increasing adherence when it comes to hypoglycemia. What are these medications? What are they doing for me? Are they okay to take? How do they work? Understanding your diagnosis, common questions and answers, yada, yada, yada. So whatever you comment on this video, or if you privately message me on my Facebook group or on Reddit, I will get to these videos with time, but this is what my channel will entail too. So again, it was nice to meet you, whoever you are watching this. I really appreciate the fact that you clicked on this, and I look forward to educating you and helping you with your diabetes in the future. Again, my name is Marie.